Hey everyone, welcome back to Trend TV, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2025, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. From jaw-dropping design to groundbreaking features, this device is set to redefine what a flagship smartphone can do. Let's get started. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra boasts a sleek ceramic body with a polished finish that screams premium. It comes in two stunning colors, obsidian black and arctic white, with a rumored third sunrise gold variant. Xiaomi has also upped its game with a titanium frame, making it both durable and lightweight. And let's not forget about that slim bezel and curved AMOLED display. This phone looks as good as it performs. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a stunning 6.8-inch QHD plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 2000 nits peak brightness. Perfect for gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through social media. Under the hood, it's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Translation: lightning-fast performance for everything you throw at it. Now let's talk cameras. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a quad-camera setup co-developed with Leica. The 200MP primary sensor is a game-changer, offering exceptional low-light performance and incredible detail. And for all the selfie lovers out there, the 32MP front camera is perfect for capturing every moment in stunning clarity. Battery anxiety? Not with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. It packs a 5,500 mAh battery with 120-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. That's a full charge in under 20 minutes. Running on MIUI 15 based on Android 14, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is loaded with features like enhanced multitasking, advanced security, and seamless integration with Xiaomi's ecosystem. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is expected to launch in March 2025, with pre-orders starting shortly after. Pricing is rumored to start at $1,299 for the base model. While it's on the higher end, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra's features and performance justify every penny. Trust me, this phone is worth keeping an eye on. Stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.